So guys, welcome one more time again. I smell your boy Goodness giving you update on how to become a good graphic designer. So here we learn how to use graphic design tools like Corel Draw and other ones. But I'm going to focus on Corel Draw today. I'm going to achieve this simple shape. Mind you, please, this is not an advert. I'm not advertising HP. I'm not advertising any of this company. Just for educational purposes, how to use these tools to achieve your graphic design. So first we're going to do what we're going to draw a rectangle tool. Okay, draw a rectangle tool like this. Okay, any size you want, perfectly fine. Then click on your shape tool. Now you see these edges are curved, so what we're going to achieve is just come here, left click and drag this one down. The moment you are dragging one down, every other one is following. I seen that. Okay, so now once you achieve this, now next we're going to do what, we get a circle. So this is a circle here. Okay, left click and drag, but as I left click and dragging, hold your control down so that I can be able to get a perfect circle any size you like. Then let's say this circle is here. I want this circle to be in the middle here. Okay, now clicking on this circle, hold your shift, select the rectangle, then press your key C. Okay, then press your key E. This brings the shape into the middle of the rectangle. So I would like to increase a little bit. As you're dragging it from here, hold your shift to make it increase a little bit. Perfect. So once you've achieved this, now next we're going to do, let's give it a color. So click on this, I'll give it blue, just like what we have here. I'll click on this, I'll give it what, yellow. But now I'm going to use this yellow circle to trim the blue square. Oh, that's a nice one. Blue square. Okay, now clicking on this, go my shift, select the square, not a square, rectangle, blue rectangle. Then once you selected this together, look up, you will see, look for this family, look for trim. Okay, I've gotten it here, trim, good. Then bring out your circle outside. Perfect. Now once you've done this, now next we're going to go what, look for the what, let's type a text. Click on your text tool, HP. Okay, so once you've done this, now just make it big a little bit. Okay, perfectly fine. Then I'm going to choose a font. Let's say we use an impact. Choose impact. Okay, so impact is good for the job. So okay, then we click, then once, now clicking on impact, bring to the center here, click on it again. Yes, click it twice, first one, second one, then you give it this shape. Now what you're going to do here now, just adjust this one like this, tilt it. They call it skew. You skew it, yeah, SKEW. So once you skew it to the right like this, then what you're going to do now was shrink it a little bit. Okay, click on it. Perfect. Now we are going to what, convert our HP to look just like this. What we're going to do, you have to control Q, we convert it to curve. Then take your shape tool. Okay, when you take your shape tool, you zoom out like this, zoom a little bit, then highlight, left click and drag over these 2 points, here, then take it up. Just adjust your hands, take it up. Perfect. Let's zoom out a little bit, let's bring it down just a little bit above the line. Good. Okay, I'm going to take it a little bit above the line, just like the example we have. Okay, so once you've done this one, now go to your P, the same thing you achieve, highlight this and bring this one down too. Okay, do you see that now? I guys see what I'm doing? So please hit the subscribe button, like, share, follow, tell your friends. If you too be a professional graphic designer, learn all these tools, they're going to help you. So today, now once you've done this, now you're going to go back to your pick tool. Now once you've done this, now click on your HP as it is, hold your shift. At this point, there are so many ways to achieve this marking here, but I'm going to use the most simple one, so it's not going to be hard for you. So achieving this like this, I'm going to zoom over here, click on your pick tool. Okay, so zoom over, then I'm going to draw a line around this HP, this H. I'm going to click here, move your mouse, don't hold your left, just move your mouse. Okay, then go here, take it up. Okay, perfect. Then join it back, make sure you stop, join back where you started from. Then once you have achieved this, now clicking on this rectangle, this you have drawn, hold your shift and select this blue. Perfect. Then look over here, you're going to see these boys, choose what to call trim. Click on trim. Perfect. Remember trim for our previous lesson? Yes. Then you drag it, then move this one. Wow, this is nice, man. Woo, I love this. Then now go to the next one down here, the same thing we do, pen tool, click. Okay, click and click. Okay, now click on this, hold your shift to select this and what, trim as well. Good, perfectly fine. Wow, 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 I love this, I love this, I love this. Okay, so once you've done this one now, guys, you guys are done. Now what you're gonna do next is what, I'll click on this blue, rectangle, I'll control C. Okay, control V, that means copy and paste. Don't worry about it, I'll explain it more. Copy and paste. So once you've copied and pasted it, change this one color to, let's say, ash or something. Now yes, now don't worry where our blue is. Our blue is still at the back. What you're gonna do, what, right click on this blue, right click on this ash one you've done here, then go to order, look for what, back of layer. Yes, click on it. Good, now the ash is at the back of the blue this time around. Then you go to make use of your arrow key. Yeah, arrow key, right arrow key, then bring it down a little bit. Okay, so you can also even adjust so you can see it very well. Yes, now if you see watch, there's an outline here, so you can highlight everything and remove the outline. Yeah, so guy, this is how you create the HP object just like this. So thanks for tuning in. Smash the subscribe button, invite your friends. Graphic design is very sweet and simple, and when you start doing it, it's a high income skill whereby when you master it very well, you start doing just for international bodies and what, organizations. Do have a nice time. Bye bye.